Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TikTok Ads Manager account for creators, full guide step by step. To activate your TikTok Ads Manager account, first, visit the TikTok Ads homepage. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to log in or sign up. If you already have a TikTok account, use the login option. If you do not have an account, select the sign up option. Fill in your details, including email and password, and follow the prompts to create your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Ads Manager dashboard. Look for the Create button to initiate setting up your ads. Select Campaign to start a new advertising campaign. Choose your advertising objective, such as traffic, conversions, or brand awareness. After selecting your objective, click Continue. Next, set up your ad group. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Choose your bidding strategy based on your objectives. Now, you are ready to create your ads. Select the ad format that suits your campaign, whether it's a video or image. Upload your creative materials, including visuals and captions. Review and ensure all elements meet TikTok's ad guidelines. Once you are satisfied, click Submit to activate your ad campaign. You will receive a confirmation indicating your ads are in review. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Ads Manager dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on the insights provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.